Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm T Stranger.
And I'm Mrs. Stranger.
And we're going to be unboxing my mom's Mother's Day present.
Today's Mother's Day. I am so excited to see what Disney Stranger got for Mrs. Stranger. Here is the box that he gave me. Are we ready? Let's do it. Oh my goodness, look at this! My very first Loungefly. The Disney Stranger know what Mama likes. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at Princess and Flowers. Perfect for Mother's Day, right? Let us see. Wow!
Whoa.
Yay. Yay. Wow, look at all the princesses. I see Mulan, Tiana, Snow White, Aurora, Belle. This is so cool.
Wow, I love the flowers. Actually, I think those are flowers from the movie. Tiana's flower.
Oh,
and
yes.
there's a rose for Belle, and Aurora has roses.
The pink flowers.
Yes.
Wow, this is, I'm gonna look so great in the parks with this cool Loungefly. Let's look inside and see what they did to the inside. Because you know, usually the Loungeflies has some pretty neat patterns inside. So the front, oh, when you take this out, okay, look, so the behind is the same pattern, but in the front, it's pink with all the princesses, like a princess collage.
Wow.
Really cool. I love it. And then inside, let's see what it is too. So of course, they put paper in to protect the inside, but we want to see what it looks like inside, right, T Stranger?
Yep.
Yes, look, it's got the same princess pink collage inside. That is so cool. I love the detail of the inside as much as I do the outside. That's really neat.
I like how they take time to find a different pattern for the inside.
Yes,
Which many people aren't going to see the inside.
And it's perfect with flowers on Mother's Day. Good choice, Disney Stranger.
Thank you for joining us on this Disney Stranger unboxing.
And guys, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.